Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT 2025 test preparation part 1E. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं और आपको MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर व्यूवर्स, यहाँ पर एक बात ध्यान में रखें. रीशेड्यूलिंग ऑफ KMU सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिशन टेस्ट KMU-CAT 2025-2026. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर अभी तक आपने टेस्ट शेड्यूल और रिवाइज टेस्ट डेट नोट नहीं किया तो अभी जल्दी से अपना टेस्ट डेट नोट कर लें ताकि बाद में आपको मसला ना हो. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. The amino acid containing a hydroxyl group is option A alanine, B isoleucine, C arginine, and option D threonine. So the correct option is D threonine. Explanation is threonine has a hydroxyl group in its side chain. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The neutral amino acid is option A lysine, B proline, C leucine, and option D histidine. So the correct option is C leucine. Leucine side chain is nonpolar and uncharged at physiological pH. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. The sulfur containing amino acid is option A homoserine, B serine, C methionine, and option D valine. So the correct option is C methionine. Methionine contains a sulfur atom in its side chain. The basic amino acid is option A glycine, B leucine, C histidine, and option D proline. So the correct option is C histidine. Histidine's imidazole group can be positively charged. So this is very important MCQs. NH3 is removed from the brain mainly by option A creatinine formation, B uric acid production, C urea formation, and option D glutamine formation. So the correct option is D glutamine formation. The brain detoxifies ammonia by converting it to glutamine. The albumin globulin Ag ratio is option A strength of proteins, B ratio of serum proteins, C ratio of ceruloplasmin, and option D none of these. So the correct option is B ratio of the serum proteins. So the albumin globulin ratio compares concentration of these two major serum protein groups. The mechanism by which NH3 is removed from the kidneys is option A urea formation, B uric acid formation, C creatinine formation, and option D none of these. So the correct option is D none of these. Kidneys excrete ammonia primarily as ammonium ions NH4. So this is very important MCQs. Marasmus occurs from a deficient intake of option A essential amino acids, B essential fatty acids, C calories, and option D zinc. So the correct option is C calories. Marasmus results from severe deficiency of both calories and proteins, primarily reflecting a loss of calories. Proteins that carry iron into different tissues are option A, ceruloplasmin, B, transprotein, C, mucoprotein, and option D, glycoproteins. So the correct option is A, ceruloplasmin. Ceruloplasmin is a copper containing protein that helps mobilize iron. So this is very important MCQs. Human immunodeficiency virus HIV destroys option A, cytotoxic T cells, B, helper T cells, C, B cells, and option D, plasma cells. So the correct option is B, helper T cells. HIV specifically target CD4 helper T cells, disabling the adaptive immune systems. Naturally occurring amino acids have option A, L configuration, B, D configuration, C, DL configuration, and option D, none of these. So the correct option is A, L configuration. With rare exceptions, biological systems exclusively use L amino acids. So this is very important MCQs. Which one of the following is an essential amino acid? Option A, arginine, B, tyrosine, C, phenylalanine, and option D, proline. So the correct option is C, phenylalanine. Phenylalanine must be obtained from the diet. Humans cannot synthesize it. Isoelectric pH of an amino acid, that pH at which has option A, positive charge, B, negative charge, C, no charge, and option D, none of these. So the correct option is C, no charge. At pH, the amino acid has equal positive and negative charge. Which of the following proteins is rich in cysteine? Option A, elastin, B, collagen, C, fibrin, and option D, keratin. So the correct option is D, keratin. Keratin contains abundant cysteine for disulfide cross-linkage. From two amino acid, peptide bond formation involves the removal of one molecule is option A, water, B, ammonia, C, carbon dioxide, and option D, carboxylic acid. So the correct option is A, water. Peptide bond formation is condensation reactions that release H2O. If you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। Polymers of more than 100 amino acids are termed option A, protein, B, polypeptides, C, both A and B, and option D, none of these. So the correct option is A, proteins. Polypeptide over 100 residues are generally called proteins. So this is last MCQs. Peptide linkages are found between option A, nucleotides, B, amino acids, C, glucose molecules, and option D, sucrose. So the correct option is B, amino acid. Explanation is peptide bonds connect amino acids and protein chains. Thank you for watching my videos.